Hey guys, welcome to part 5 of the build log. Sorry it actually took longer than I thought it would to upload a new video. Well, today I have my flasher cans, which I will show you right here. The 2 orange boxes. And most of the wire up here is not done. I'm going to have one big negative, and I already have one big positive because everything just runs to the switch. Well, I thought I'd show you what has occurred. There's that one. Not quite the same speed. I can still adjust them because the flasher cans I bought are adjustable. This is really ugly wiring. I've got to rewire the positive to the light, and then I'll have headlights, which the wire is fallen right here, and I'll reconnect that. It turns out I had a fuse up here, you've probably seen in a couple of videos. I didn't need it. Turns out I wired it wrong, and I had it in line with the fuse box that went up to here and then another fuse. And it didn't really make any sense because they were two completely different fuses. So, yeah. Let me disconnect this and put the battery over here so it doesn't fall and break. Let's see. So far, I have everything wired except for the kill switch, which is going to be going on tonight because I found another ground clip thing, focus camera. Well, I found another one of those, and I'll just ground it to the engine, I guess, or somewhere, because the frame isn't actually grounded to anything except for itself. Radiator's completely on the bike. It's holding coolant, or it was about 4 days ago. Good enough. It is leaking oil profusely now, which is the puddle under it. I don't know where it's coming from. So yeah. Say hi, Graham.
What?
Say hi.
No.
Okay. Someone's grumpy. So yeah, the bike is coming along quite well. I'll probably put up a part 5.5, 5.5 after I get everything wired. So this is just a little update because I know I haven't put anything up for a while. Also, guys, Moto Amino, go check it out. I'll leave a link up here somewhere that you guys can go get the app. It's essentially just it's an app where you and fellow people that like motorcycles, dirt bikes, whatever, can go enjoy the same thing together in the same space. Works on iOS and Android. It's very fun, and you guys should check it out. Just take a look at it. Well, now I'm gonna go, and I'll see y'all later.